Yeah.
Okay, sir, I have question.
Yeah.
Sir, most of the people or most of the students and teachers consider that they have they don't know the differences between the language and subject. They consider that language is also a subject. That's
Yeah,
why
right.
they have problems. So how language learning is different from teaching a subject?
This is what I addressed actually. So yeah, see, I told when in India the biggest problem of learning English is that English is treated as a subject rather than a language. Now, what happens when you treat something as a subject and not as something as it should be treated is that when you treat English as a subject, you have that performance pressure upon you, right? If you're treating English as a subject, you are not supposed to say I are a boy, because that is wrong and that will lead you to getting less marks. Whereas if you teach English as a as a language, you can make mistakes like I are a boy, which can later be corrected to I am a boy. क्योंकि important गलत बोलना नहीं है, important बोलना है, right? गलत
Yeah.
बोलना is a part of that larger phenomenon of learning, right? So I cannot
Mm.
stop you from saying something wrong. Rather, I should encourage you to at least speak. क्योंकि जब मैं वो सब्जेक्ट वाला तुम पे प्रेशर डाल देता हूँ that no, this is right, this is wrong, you somewhere feel like I don't want to present myself. मुझे अपने आप में परफॉर्म ही नहीं करना चाहता, क्योंकि मैं बार बार जज्ड होता हूँ on that basis. अगर मैं I are a boy बोलता हूँ तो he says that नहीं, I am a boy होता है, ये गलत होता है. तो this is what this pressure builds upon when you treat it as a subject.
Yeah.
Okay, so means, usually they prefer pronunciation, fluency, or correctness of the sentence or something. But usually they do not prefer emotions or expression, context. These are also most beneficial while we are learning a language. Our emotion
Exactly.
and expression. Okay, this
Mhm.
should be included. Now, suppose that I'm saying that I love you, something. I love you. So it has some different meaning. And usually you translate it based on grammar translation method. Okay. So so it may be a sorry, another interpretation of the same sentence or something because of our expression and emotion and on the other context or something. Okay.
Right, right. I'm
So
understanding this.
okay.
So that
So
basically
how
depends
how
on, yeah, I'm telling you, I got your question. This basically
okay.
depends on the facilitator, right? The person who is facilitating you. Because Pratik Bhaiya told in his presentation very clearly कि language
Yes.
सीखना important नहीं है, you should also learn the context, because this is what constructive pedagogy is all about. So learning
Yeah.
what to speak, where to speak, how to speak and why to speak is the most important thing. And facilitator, because देखो, तुम अगर कोई एक लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हो, इफ अगर आप एक लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हैं जिसके बारे में आपको कम पता है, मुझे ज्यादा पता है, तो आई नो द कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ वो चीज इंप्लीमेंट करना होगा. तो आई हैव टू क्रिएट दैट
Yeah.
क्लासरूम सिचुएशन जहां पर मैं आपको
Yeah.
अलग अलग सिचुएशंस दे सकूं कि इस सिचुएशन में, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू डोंट नो हिंदी, राइट, आई कैन प्रेजेंट यू विद
Yeah.
सिचुएशन जहां तुम अपने छोटे से बात कर रहे हो, तो यू विल बी यूजिंग तुम. वेयर यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर सीनियर्स, यू विल यूज आप. तो आई हैव टू क्रिएट दैट सिचुएशन. Yes, that is it.
Yeah, so Aditya is asking, is it possible to learn English without trainer? Yeah, it's possible. It's possible, but if an application is working as a trainer for you, then remove the person, remove a trainer, a human being. Learn from the app. It's better. But you need to have a social interaction. That's what Vygotsky talked in his theory. Okay. You have to have some kind of training. It can be from any source. It's not necessary that Imran or Siddharth or Abhilasha or anyone, Atish, anyone, okay, anyone is teaching you. You can learn from anywhere. But always remember that social interaction is very much essential. Otherwise, your learning will be stopped at one point. So we'll take some more questions. Abhilasha is saying yes, that's why Lev Vygotsky's theory is known as social interaction theory, right? Tanuja is saying, sir, please explain English as a second language and as a foreign language and difference between this. It depends. in which area you are living. Okay. For example, if I am living in Varanasi, English plays a very important role here. Or if you are living in Kolkata, English plays very important role. Okay. When you are living in a very remote area, like Abhilasha was saying in her comment, then you are not exposed to English on a daily, regular basis. So in that case, when you are not exposed to English on a regular basis, English becomes a foreign language for you. But when you are regularly exposed to it through social media, through television, through your friends and in colleges and at so many different places, then English is not a foreign language for you. It becomes a second language. Like for me, Hindi is a second language, Bhojpuri is the first language, Hindi is the second language. Likewise, it becomes for me, it becomes like Hindi or any
Right.
other Sanskrit or anything.
I would
Okay.
just add one statement, Bhaiya, to this, to Tanuja's question. It's all about the environment, Tanuja. If you're
Right.
getting the environment to speak Hindi, that's your second language. Whereas if you're not getting the environment to speak English because people around you don't speak English, then English is treated as a foreign language. So any language that you learn in the classroom is a foreign language because that is not spoken elsewhere. But in other cases, if your language is spoken and you get that input from the society, that's a second language.
हाँ हेलो, आवाज आ
हाँ,
रही है सर?
it's clear, it's clear.
मेरे कहने का सर है कि सोशल इंटरेक्शन चाहिए इंग्लिश लर्निंग के लिए, बट हिंदी हिंदी एरियाज में, नेटिव प्लेस में, वहाँ तो उस तरह का इंटरेक्शन मिलता नहीं है, तो इंग्लिश कैसे डेवलप कर पाएंगे हम? क्योंकि जब तक हमें सोशल इंटरेक्शन या वन टू वन इंटरेक्शन नहीं मिलेगा तो वो डेवलप ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है। एक तक तो एक मतलब एक पॉइंट पे आके वो फिक्स हो जाएगा, हमारी लर्निंग जो है वो स्टॉप हो जाएगी।
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to say that when you are living in an area like in a village, you don't get that interaction, that social
Yeah,
interaction thing, right? Now see, now is the time when you have technologies around you, right? And मैंने अपने पहले webinar में कहा था कि to learn any language, the first two skills that you need to know is listening and speaking. Now, people who reside in villages, for them, speaking is a very big deal, right? Whom will you
Yeah.
speak that language to? But listening, which I consider the most important of all the four, is something that can be done on the basis of technologies that you are exposed to, right? So, listening that language is very important. And yeah, unfortunately, there is the role of the trainer or the teacher which comes into play. Because in villages, what happened that you don't get that exposure. Even the teacher is not able to set that environment in the classroom. चलो
Yeah.
तुमको सोसाइटी में वो इंग्लिश नहीं मिल रही है, बट एटलीस्ट जब
हाँ.
क्लासरूम में हो यू आर एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, वो भी
Yeah.
नहीं होता है. व्हाई?
सही बात है.
Maybe that is because of the failure of the teacher or the education
Or trainer.
or anything. Yeah, right, that's trainer as I call it. So उसी के लिए जब प्रतीक भैया ने कहा ना कि you can do with away with training, like अगर आपके पास कोई ट्रेनर नहीं है you can learn language, but यही ये कॉन्सेप्ट आता है when the role of the trainer comes into play. बिकॉज ट्रेनर ही वो इंसान होता है जो क्लासरूम को इंगेजिंग और क्लासरूम में वो इंग्लिश का एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करता है.
Yes, sir.
So for people who are residing outside, like people like you, I have a answer to this which I will be coming shortly after like 1 or 2 minutes. उसके लिए हम एक और दो क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं and then I have a solution
Okay.
for your problem.
Okay,
right?
okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Pratik sir, I have a question. That time you asked that if English is a second language or it's a foreign language. So many of the participants said that it's a second language. So as Siddharth sir explained and you explained, so now can we say that it's a second language also and foreign language?
I think you can't say it's a foreign language for us at least. Okay. Because English is the official language, means we use it for official purposes. It's a major language for communication on social media. So regularly we are being exposed to plenty of sentences, at least 200 of sentences every day of English. Okay. Let's compare English to French. Now you will understand that French is a foreign language, but English is not. How much of the
Uh,
French sentences you are exposed to every day? Means you 10, 5 to how many you can answer?
Right. So Tanuja, there is also this concept ki staying in Bihar, you're not exposed to Tamil, but you are at some point of time exposed to English, right? So because of this globalization that is happening, villages are also getting connected. I know it will take time and there is a lot to be done on this, but you always constantly get exposure, maybe to one sentence a day if you're watching any of the videos, or maybe in the news channel when you have debates and all those things. So English is being used, and with the passage of time, English हमारे country में घुसते जा रहा है, and people are getting close to it. So reason of saying this is a second language is आप कहीं ना कहीं वो language या तो सुनते हो, या कभी ना कभी किसी point of time पे किसी इंसान से उस language में आप बात करते हो. That makes it a second language and not. And as Pratik Bhaiya said कि आप French को second language का दर्जा नहीं दे सकते, because you don't get to hear French unless आप कोई एक specific course कर रहे हो जहां फ्रेंच के आप वीडियोस देख रहे हो. अदरवाइज हमारे इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश इज बीइंग यूज्ड रेगुलरली. यहाँ भी हम हिंदी और इंग्लिश का यूज कर रहे हैं, नोइंग द फैक्ट कि जितने भी लोग आए हैं उनको थोड़ी बहुत बेसिक इंग्लिश आती है. दैट मेक्स इट अ सेकंड लैंग्वेज.
तो सर आपने थोड़ी देर पहले जैसा बताया था कि ऐसे एरिया जहाँ इसका एक्सपोजर ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो
हाँ.
वहाँ पे आप इसको फॉरेन लैंग्वेज की तरह देख सकते हो. तो फिर
नहीं,
why
वहां
can't
आप
we-
हाँ देख सकते हो का बात नहीं है. इट्स अबाउट कि देखो आप अगर उस एरिया में भी हो, लाइक देयर वाज दिस गाय आदित्य हुआ सिंह, उसको भी थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश आती है, राइट? ही इज एट अ कॉम्पिटेंसी लेवल एज कंपेयर टू फ्रेंच, क्योंकि उसे फ्रेंच नहीं आती होगी मे बी, और जर्मन नहीं आती होगी. तो द जितना हमारा इंग्लिश के साथ क्लोजनेस है, वो जैसे आप रिमोट एरियाज में जाओगे वो कम है, बट स्टिल आप कहीं ना कहीं से वो एक्सपोजर जरूर पाते हैं. मे बी जब आप कभी कुछ एक डिबेट देखते हैं या कोई एक यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देखते हैं, क्योंकि यूट्यूब तो गांव गांव में अवेलेबल है. सो
हाँ.
आप कहीं ना कहीं से वो इनपुट ले रहे हैं ऑन डेली बेसिस. आपको अगर ये यकीन भी नहीं हो रहा है, एटलीस्ट एक वर्ड तो आप सुनते होंगे इंग्लिश का. तो हाँ, या दैट इज द रीजन कि मैं उसको फॉरेन लैंग्वेज की तरह ट्रीट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि फॉरेन लैंग्वेज का इनपुट आपको सोसाइटी में नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि वो उस सोसाइटी में नहीं बोली जाती है. हाउएवर इंग्लिश जो है वो उस सोसाइटी में कहीं ना कहीं रहती है, बोलते कम लोग हैं. दैट इज द थिंग. तो हाँ, ये जो फॉरेन और सेकंड लैंग्वेज का जो बाउंड्री है बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब फ्रेजाइल है, बहुत वीक है, ये
Blurred.
ब्लर्ड है. तो इसीलिए या यू आर आल्सो राइट टू सम एक्सटेंट, एंड या it is a second language, and for some people might be a foreign language.
Hmm.
So finally we have all come to the end of this webinar, right? And there are a lot of you who are posing this question about English being a second language or a foreign language, and most of you thinking that ठीक है, हमें तो वो exposure नहीं मिलता, right? प्रतीक भैया ने और मैंने, हम दोनों ने यही चीज कहा कि इट इज द जॉब ऑफ द ट्रेनर, क्योंकि ट्रेनर का जॉब बहुत आसान नहीं होता है, क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश पता है दैट डजंट मेक मी अ गुड ट्रेनर अनलेस एंड अनटिल मैं वो इंग्लिश तुम्हें सिखा पाऊं, आपको सिखा पाऊं. सो दिस इज वेयर द रोल ऑफ द ट्रेनर कम्स इनटू एक्शन, राइट? नाउ इन दिस टाइम ऑफ कोविड, व्हेन दिस ऑफलाइन मोड ऑफ टीचिंग और ऑफलाइन interaction is almost like next to impossible because of the current situation, we, the Cognition team, we are actually introducing a 15-day course on this learning of English, right? Now, this course, trust me, is open for all, and a lot of research from my side and Pratik Bhaiya's side, because our research topic is language teaching. A lot of research has gone into it, right? We have researched and devised a syllabus wherein हम अपने लैंग्वेज को शोकेस नहीं करेंगे. वी विल टीच यू इंग्लिश विथ अ गारंटी कि आपका जो मैंने पहले प्रेजेंटेशन में अपने CEFR लेवल का जिक्र किया था, दैट विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज, एंड दैट्स अ प्रूवन थिंग. बिकॉज ऑफ माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस एट द ब्रिटिश काउंसिल, आई नो हाउ टू डील with learners who have got no knowledge of English at all. So I and Pratik Bhaiya, especially Pratik Bhaiya, thank you for all those effort that you have taken. We have devised this course, a 15-day course. The information will be shared to you on your email IDs, and we would encourage each one of you to join it if you don't feel that competent enough, because trust me, howsoever the situation is, English is a language that is nowadays the most important thing. And most of you won't be knowing about linguistics because this is a diverse audience, with some of you knowing about what linguistics is and what linguistics is not. The science of teaching and learning a language has been incorporated in this course. So we will be teaching you language on a scientific basis, not on a random basis, giving you some sentences and asking you to translate. The method that I have discussed, the ninja technique as you call it in CLT, has been used. And I would encourage each one of you, or tell people who actually need this knowledge of English, to please join this course, because this is going to be really fruitful and we guarantee you success, because this is what you will notice within yourself. If you feel that कोई ऐसा इंसान है जिसको ये English की ज़रूरत है, who wants to learn English, you can recommend them as well, because as I told you again and again, हमने दिन रात की मेहनत की and a lot of research has gone into it. So we will be teaching you English in a way which probably you wouldn't have thought of. So ऐसे लोग जिनको वो environment नहीं मिल पा रहा है, या उन्हें वो facilitator नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, या वो situation नहीं मिल पा रहा है, we promise you to create everything of that sort. That's our promise.